Hello students, so we're going to start with our next problem. Find the relationship between a and b so that the function f defined by f of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x is less than equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3. ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನಲ್ಲಿ ಇವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ a and b and already said it is continuous at x equal to 3. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೇಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಸೊ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಅವರ್ ಎಲ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್, ಅವರ್ ಆರ್ ಎಚ್ ಎಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ 3 ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3 means already they are equal. Just we have to find our relationship between a and b. So here goes our solution. So see the solution. Given function can be written as f of x. Write the same question. Now as they have said us, so we are writing since f is continuous at x is equal to 3. So as I have said you, LHL at x is equal to 3 is equal to RHL at x is equal to 3 is equal to f of 3 at this point, right? 3 ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, so at f of 3. So next LHL ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, limit f of x as x tends to 3 minus less than, right? LHL means less than. Then comes RHL, limit f of x as x tends to 3 plus means greater than equal to f of 3 means at exactly at equal to 3. ಇಲ್ಲಿ equal to 3 condition ಯಾವುದು, first condition is equal to 3. equal to 3 ನಿಮ್ದು f of x ಯಾವುದು, ax plus 1. So your f of x at equal to 3 it is ax plus 1. So in place of x what we will put the value 3. So it becomes 3a plus 1. So f of 3 value ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನಮಗೆ 3a plus 1. Now limit f of x extend 3 minus ಅಂದರೆ x less than 3. x less than 3 condition ಯಾವುದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ, first one x less than 3. x less than 3 f of x is ax plus 1. So it will be ax plus 1 as x tends to 3. Second limit f of x as x tends to 3 plus. 3 plus means greater than 3. So x greater than 3 is which is your f of x, bx plus 3. So limit f of x will be bx plus 3 as your x tends to 3 equal to 3a plus 1, keep it as it is. Next now ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, after getting this we substitute our limit part, right? Our x part we substitute. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ನಲ್ಲಿ what we have to substitute 3. So this becomes 3a plus 1. Here also the same it goes, bx plus 3. So substituting x as 3, so it becomes 3b plus 3, 3a plus 1, keep it as it is. Now here you have got 3 values, 3a plus 1, 3b plus 3, 3a plus 1. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್, ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್, ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್. ವೈ? ಸಿ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್, ಐದರ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಸೊ 3a plus 1 equal to 3b plus 3. 3a keep as it is, 1 you take to the other side, 3b plus 3 plus 1 if it goes to the other side it becomes what, minus 1. So 3a is equal to 3b plus 3 minus 1 is equal to what, plus 2. So you'll get 3a is equal to 3b plus 2. After this see your relationship between a and b. So we want single a single b, you have here 3 as a coefficient, right, for both. So whole terms we are dividing it by 3, single terms we are dividing it. 3a divided by 3 equal to 3b divided by 3 plus 2 by 3. So cut 3 get cancels, 3 get cancels, you will get a is equal to b plus 2 by 3. Therefore this is required relationship between a and b. Your next question, for what value of lambda is the function defined by f of x is equal to lambda of x square minus 2x if x is less than equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0, continuous at x is equal to 0. What about continuity at x is equal to 1? Here what they are asking, what value of lambda. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ lambda value ನಾವು ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದು x ನಮ್ಮದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So as you have done already for the previous one, in the same matter will go, just here you have to find out the value, at what value the function is continuous, and conditions they have given at x is equal to 0 and then at x is equal to 1 also. So let us see solution. As usual, write your first given function. Given function can be written as, next is we will see at x is equal to 0. So what we'll write? If f of x is continuous at x is equal to 0. So when it is continuous at x equal to 0 means what? LHL at x is equal to 0 is equal to RHL at x is equal to 0 is equal to what? F of 0 at that point, right? F of 0. So LHL at x is equal to 0, LHL means what? Limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus RHL will be limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus f of 0, keep it as it is, later I can put the value. Say limit f of x as x tends to 0 minus, 0 minus means less than, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ less than condition is which? Say 0 less than x is your first condition. So f of x becomes lambda of x square minus 2x, and then what it is? X tends to what? 0 is equal to limit f of x as x tends to 0 plus, 0 plus andre 0 plus means greater than, so here greater than condition is this, so greater than 0 is what? 4x plus 1. So f of x will be 4x plus 1 as your x tends to 0, and at f of 0 means exactly 0, x is equal to 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ exactly ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ first condition, yes, x equal to 0, x equal to 0 ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು f of x ಏನಿದೆ? Lambda of x square minus 2x. So means at x you have to substitute your value as 0. So it will be lambda of x square, in place of x it will be 0 minus 2 into 0 also will be 0. Yes, we are getting like this. Now the second term, substituting in our limit, substituting sorry, so substituting our x as 0, so you will get lambda of 0 minus 2 into 0 also will be 0 is equal to, here also 4, substituting x as 0, 0 plus 1, here you see lambda of 0 minus 0, this whole term only will be 0. So here also lambda 0 minus 0, this also will be 0, 4 into 0 is 0 plus 1 means only 1, and here 0. See here you see you have got 0 equal to 1 equal to 0 means ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ 0 is equal to 1 or 1 is equal to 0? No, right? So for no value the lambda we are getting, there is no value for lambda at the point x is equal to 0. This is not possible, right? X is equal to 0, so we write therefore this is not possible. Therefore there is no value of lambda for which f is continuous at x is equal to 0. ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದರೆ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್. So there is no value for lambda to be continuous at this particular point. Yes. In the same way, next again what question they are asking? What about the continuity at x is equal to 1? So at x is equal to 1 we will check out. Second case we will see at x is equal to 1. So here you see at x is equal to 1 means what? X is greater than, right? 1 means it is greater than. So here greater than means what? X greater than 0 means which is greater than 0 terms all lies in this condition, like 1, 2, 3, 4 whatever. So this is the condition x greater than. So x greater than our f of x is what? 4x plus 1. In this condition here we don't have lambda itself. we just have f of x as 4x plus 1. So I am writing here only 4x is equal to, sorry, f of x is equal to 4x plus 1. And at what point I will find out the point also here. So at f of 1. So 4 of 1 plus 1. So 4 of 1 plus 4 into 1 is 4 plus 1 will get what? 5. We should find our limit also. We will go for limit, and limit f of x as x tends to 1. Normal limit, what is our f of x? 4x plus 1 as x tends to 1. So in place of x what we substitute? 1. So 4 1 plus 1 we get here 5. So you can see limit is equal, and at f of 1 also we have got the same. Therefore limit f of x as x tends to 1 is equal to f of 1. We got the same value. Hence I can write f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1. This normally directly can do, here no need of LHL or RHL, but you can see here in this at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1 our question was 4x plus 1, f of x we are getting 4x plus 1. Here there is no lambda value itself. Lambda value you have only for less than or equal to, x less than or equal to 0. Just here you have lambda value, and for this value there is no continuity. So therefore at the end we can write, therefore lambda is continuous for all values at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, lambda is continuous, because whatever you do, you will get the such answer itself. The limit and your f of at that point will be equal. So your lambda is continuous only at x is equal to 1, but not at x is equal to 0.